Morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here, New Year 2026, the big 2-6. And what do we got? We've got another Kia Tasman in. Today we are becoming the Kia Tasman experts, aren't we? Today we are going to get a few little bits and pieces on this bad boy. We're going to get a manual roller shutter. We're going to get one of our aftermarket extended arm sports bars on it, and we're going to get some side steps on the side as well. If you are looking for accessories for your Kia Tasman, you know where to go. Other than that, let's get right into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fit process of both the side steps and the roller shutter on this brand new Kia Tasman. We'll go through the operation of it while we're here. To open it, you pull first, press the button. Once you press the unlock button, this bad boy is going to roll all the way forward. One thing I want to draw attention to is the OEM sort of clamp fitting points. Means that you got a nice sort of real seamless finish on these Kia Tasmans. You can see all the water that we've sprayed over this bad boy, just making sure that it is as watertight as it can be. Right, we've also gone ahead and put one of our aftermarket sports bars on there. These ones don't come, actually I don't think they come standard, the sports bars, on any of the trim levels. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Other than that, the side steps, they go on pretty nicely as well. Typically these side steps actually do not suit this vehicle, but we made them fit. We made them fit. We've got other ones that suit off the shelf, but we definitely can get some side steps for these ones as well. Other than that, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go if you want to grab one of these. Like, subscribe, notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.